are going to unbox the new Epson LabelWorks LW-C610PX. This is one of our new printers designed specifically for the home and hobby labeler. So let's unbox it and take a look. Now before we open it up, if I spin this around on the back, it's going to give you just a couple indicators. Remember, this printer has the unmatched lifetime warranty. It'll tell you what size tapes and what type of tapes that this printer uses. It's also Energy Star rated, and it'll show you where you can go ahead and download those apps, the Epson Label Editor mobile app from either the Apple or the Google Play Store. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. Wonderful. Now first and most importantly is the printer itself. Let's go ahead and take that out. Oh, this looks so nice. Okay, so first on the top we have the button. This is the only button the printer has. It's the only one it needs. Turn it on and off. Also toggle that Bluetooth connection for you. On the back of the printer we have the AC port. So this printer does have an optional AC adapter. Note, it is not included in this kit. It is sold separately. So if that's something you're looking for, it is available. And then we can go ahead and open up the printer like this. Just kind of pops open as the cover comes off. Now down here, if I press this button, this is going to open up the battery compartment. Again, batteries are not included in this kit, so you'll need those to get started. All right, wonderful. And then here you can see this is where our tape is going to fit in, and I'll show you how to do that now. Now, this printer does come with one full cartridge. It is a 1/2 inch black on white, and it's in our vinyl material, super flexible vinyl material. All right, so that's this cartridge here. You'll notice all of the new tapes have this little tail, so I just want to make sure that this fits in here. Let me do that for you. Really easy. If you're switching out different supplies, just slides right in. Okay, and then I can go ahead and put the cover back on. You'll notice on the top of the cover there's two little notches, so they just fit in there. Clicks on. Super easy. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Now in here we have the user guide. There is a QR code that you can scan to access the full manual, but this is going to have the user guide to help you get started, and it does also have the QR code that you can scan, and it'll bring you right to the App Store to download. All right, and then in here, last but not least, is the warranty card. I mentioned that this printer has a lifetime warranty, so you can go ahead and fill out that warranty card and send that in. That is unboxing the Epson LW-C610PX. If you have questions on this printer or any others, feel free to reach out to us. We would love to chat with you. Thanks again.